Hey gang, welcome back to Opaw's Diecast Restoration. Before we get started, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. Today we're going to do a custom on a #1 Matchbox Dodge Challenger. It's originally supposed to come with a plastic hard top, or maybe it's a convertible top, but it didn't. I can't find one, so we're going to make it into a convertible with a custom job. Two little post rivets, whatever, hold it on. We're also going to do a wheel swap on it, so those wheels are pretty grungy. They're going to be coming off, needless to say. This one was kind of tough to drill out for some reason. But I persisted, and off she came finally. Not this time, though. A little more drilling, dummy. There you go. Get a little more drilling on the back. Don't force it. And voila. After I drilled it out, I tapped the hole, almost forgetting to put a little arl in there. Clean up around the post, get any residual burrs off, so when I put it back together, it goes back together nice and easy. Like so. Put our little button head screws in before the stripping process. Keep all the gunk out of there. Into our favorite stripper. Shake it, don't break it. The base was really grungy, so I put it in the lime away for about 5 minutes. Matchbox must use some different kind of chrome in the 70s, because normally you put it in the bleach and it takes it off in about 5 minutes. This time it didn't. I was going to have to put axle tubes in, so I had to clean out the pathway, or whatever you want to call it, so I get the new axle tubes in. Here we are with our Primor. Nice quick coat of Krylon gray. Here we're putting our base coat on of our color that we're going to use. Sassafras green. I got the shot of me cutting the axle tube a little off-centered. Get our little bit of CA glue on the center section where the tubes are going to sit. A little more CA glue. Put our baking soda on. Let it sit. Blow off the residue. Here's everything all ready to be put back together. This is what we started with, gang. 1975 Matchbox #1 Dodge Challenger. Chipped up, worn out, need of some definite TLC, and a custom. Here's what we ended up with. Dodge Challenger convertible. I had to make the windshield. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. I got more coming. For now, this is Opal saying goodbye.